All right, so XLE, boom. I was telling people on IG to buy it this morning. Right, the shit was up. It was after hours, but from when I alerted it at market open, before market open to now, it's up 3%. It's not bad, right? XLE. Somebody asked how do you spell this? XLE in the energy sector. I don't think it's too late to get into this, honestly, man. I don't think it's late to get into this. This is probably the safest bet out of everything I'm telling you today, because it's going to benefit from all the oils, all the oil that's getting snatched up in Venezuela. You better believe that oil is getting snatched up, right? And it seems like Wall Street agrees. Wall Street is in agreement. Look at that. This is what's called a fucking doji candle, right? If any of y'all have studied any chart patterns or candlestick patterns, this is a doji. This is going way up, shooting up to the moon, almost like a Thor's hammer or some shit, right? I don't think that's a doji hammer. I forget what it's called, hammer, some shit, right? But it's bullish, even though it's red. The only reason it's red because it went way up, and then some people sold. This is where it closed, right? But it gapped up this morning, and it went on a ride. It's from yesterday. It's way up, all right, but not only is it going to benefit from the oil, just like on some long-term shit with all the AI development and all the billions and billions and billions that are going into AI, this can be a long-term hold, like a long-term position, because all of AI, man, AI is energy hungry. AI needs energy, right? So this even before Maduro was captured, we were all bullish on XLE, the energy sector. All right. So this can be a long-term position with all the AI shit going on, right? However, now we got an even stronger catalyst, because now that the U.S. is about to go in here and steal, liberate all that oil. That's freedom oil now, freedom juice, if you will, right? The companies, the oil prices may go down because there's more supply, but the profit margins for the companies are going to do really well. I highly believe that. It seems as if the market believes it too. So even without this, though, we was bullish on XLE. We were super bullish on XLE. All right. Now, if you want it, if you wanted to get a little more risky, you can go straight to some of the companies within XLE that are set to benefit from this. And one of them, another one of these motherfuckers, is Chevron. Look at it. Look at this chart. Look at that candle. This shit gapped up today, meaning like motherfuckers were buying it pre-market. It was going crazy. Chevron went fucking crazy. Like, let's say from Monday, Chevron started. Chevron was closed here on Friday, right? Boom. And then at one point, it was up 6%. It closed at about 5%. In one fucking day. You know what I'm saying? So I'm bullish on Chevron. The chart was looking all over the place, honestly, for a while. Not so great. But as of today, yeah, man, this is I don't think it's too late to get into this. This is a little bit more of a riskier play than XLE, just because you're putting all your eggs in one basket instead of buying the whole basket, which is XLE. All right. But Chevron, they're poised to make a lot of money off of this. All right. So I mean, listen, regime change takes a while. It's going to take a while for us to liberate all that oil. But it's coming. It's coming, man, for sure. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Now, the next thing I'm focusing on, the next stock I alerted this morning was a different ETF called ITA, or was it AT? What? IT. Am I tripping? Hold on, man. I'm sorry, man. What was the fucking? Because I alerted it and I was super excited about it, but I always get the fucking ticker symbols confused because I don't remember them all. All these goddamn symbols. Yeah, ITA. What the fuck? Oh, here we go. Yeah, it just didn't show. ITA. This is a basket of stocks that are all in the defense sector, right? So these are a lot of defense contracts. You know what? At this point, we might as well just call it the offense sector, right? It's full of a lot of defense contractors, but we might as well call these motherfuckers. We might as well call these motherfuckers offense contractors at this point, if we're being honest with ourselves. Anyway, they're because the ones who are going to liberate all this oil is the defense sector or offense sector, right? And this is doing really well today. Now these motherfuckers knew what was happening. Like there's people who knew what was happening. I think this big candle here seemed to be. I mean, I was telling people to buy stocks in the defense sector for fucking months, right? So for ever since the conflict started, if you've been watching the podcast, I was saying, yo, we going to do some shit in Venezuela. Mark my words. Mark my fucking words. All right. And yeah, man, looks like I was right. This shit was up about 2% today, you know, and this is another super safe bet, man. And it's been, I mean, this chart looks better than Chevron. Like the whole chart looks better than Chevron or ETF or XLE, like in its entirety. I'm super bullish on this ETF. So both XLE and ITA. Today I was buying leap call options and I was buying shares. You could just buy shares or you can buy like leap call options, meaning leap call option is calls that are like over a year out. You know what I'm saying? Like we was buying like lots of leap call options. You can do different bullish spreads if you want to mimic your risk. But how long you should hold this, man? I mean, this could be a position. This can actually just be a position. That's why I said long leap call options, because you can hold leap call options for fucking a year or longer. You know what I'm saying? Longer than that. But it went way up on strong volume. It's up right now. It hit all-time highs today, basically. Remind you, I alerted it on my Instagram right here this morning. So you don't follow me on Instagram, first of all, you fucking up. All right. But I'm super bullish on this sector. And there are some stocks within this sector, if you want to get, you know, a little more risky, right? So there's a Halliburton defense contract. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. First it gapped up and it went way up here, but it didn't close down there. But from this just today, this shit went up. At one point, it was up 11% today. All right. So if you got some more balls, you can fuck with Halliburton. You know, it ended 7% up from where it closed on Friday. So Halliburton is looking pretty good, man. Then there's also and Halliburton does like more than just defense. You know, they do a kind of a lot of shit, you know. But yeah, I feel good about Halliburton. Now let's say you wanted to fuck with the oil fields and equipment, right? Let's say you wanted to fuck with something like BKR. These motherfuckers like fuck with oil, refined oil. They're way up off this shit. You know, how long you hold, man? I mean, these can be positions, man. Like regime change is not some shit that happens in a day. You know, look, you see how long we was in Iraq to take their oil. I mean, to liberate their people and find the weapons of mass destruction. They never found them weapons, did they? Damn. They did find some oil though. They found some oil. They never found the weapons, but Bush found the oils, right? This company's doing really well. Another one you might want to look into is SLB. They way up today as well, right? These are ones you might want to look into. Right? When I say the single stocks, those are riskier, right? So unless you know what you're doing, fuck with the ETFs, ITA and XLE. Just fucking buy. You can buy shares. You can buy fucking pieces of a share if you fucking broke, right? You can buy, you can buy fucking, or you can buy leap call options like I was doing this morning, man. Really get into it, right? But yeah, the defense sector is really, really strong. The defense sector and the energy sector, anything in defense or in energy, I think you're going to be in a good position. Now, something you could do is a lot of times these gaps get filled. So I wouldn't be surprised if any of these went down a little bit tomorrow, like people taking profit. This shit is up 7%. And that would be a good time to buy, right? Like if it, but just on these joints, especially XLE. This is the one I feel the best about. And the reason I feel the best about XLE is because even without this Venezuelan shit, XLE was poised to outperform. We are of the belief that XLE will outperform the broad market this year. Like it's so on all dips, you can just buy XLE on all dips. Like I feel really good about it. You can buy, and because it's a little cheaper, it's only $47. Yo, you can sell cash secure puts. If you buy 100 shares, you can sell covered calls against your position and start making some income. I feel really good about this one in particular, but ITA too, man. Like looking at this chart, looking at this, I mean, it hit all-time highs, man. That means something, right? And it's a little more expensive though, right? So like buying options are going to cost you. But yeah, I mean, if you want to outperform the market this year, I think you're going to feel really good about it. Now, you also want to fuck with some metals, right? Because there's a lot of rare earth metals in Venezuela as well. And you better believe they're going to get extracted. I mean, liberated. They're going to get liberated, man. Freedom metals that they're going to get out of Venezuela, right? So, I mean, gold's been on a tear. I was talking about gold all last year. Gold's been on a tear. It gapped up a little bit today. It's a messy chart, but it was just at all-time highs the other day. Gold is on a historic run, right? And if you want to invest in gold, GLD. Silver just hit all-time high, right? With knowing, and it's probably going to go back, right? So I'm really thinking about really fucking with silver. Today, I bought copper. I forget copper's ticker symbol, but I bought some leap call options on copper. I forget the ticker symbol, man. So forgive me for not having that shit memorized. Oh yeah, here we go. CPER. Right? It shot the fuck up today. It shot the fuck up today. Copper went crazy. Copper went fucking nuts. Like if we go from where it closed on Friday, it's up 4%. And you may think the other joints went up a little bit more, man. But this one, right? I mean, for a fucking metal to go up 4% in a day is unusual, man. You know, I mean, listen, I feel real good about copper. I bought leap call options on copper earlier this at market open. Like at market open, I bought leap call options and I'm already up on my positions, but I'm holding it. Like I bought them. Expiration date is January 15th, 2027. Not fucking around, right? I went hard on that, and I'm already up 9% on my position. Right, all 9% in my position. Now, somebody mentioned China, and this is a good point. Another reason it happened so fast when we went, what seems like kind of fast, going in and grabbing Maduro, is because Trump has been escalating a lot of the aggression in that region. Trump was going pretty hard to escalate that aggression. And one thing I've heard from reputable sources, that Maduro was talking to China, and he was trying to get protection from them in exchange for some of Venezuela's natural resources, because you got to better believe China want them resources too, right? And again, motherfucking Trump don't want no beef with China, not no real beef. They got a formidable army, man, and it's gonna be a motherfucking problem if we go to war, like real war with China. That's gonna be a motherfucking problem for everyone involved. Like, we ain't really fucked with them like that since the Korean War. But that was a different time, man. Like, we do not want to fuck with them on some real war shit right now. All right. Fuck that shit. Like, not to say we would lose. We got the greatest armed forces ever assembled. You know what I'm saying? Like, we spend more money on this shit than everyone involved. Everyone ever. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying we would lose, but it wouldn't be fucking easy. And I think that shit would be kind of whack. Like, it'd be whack. I wouldn't be down with that shit. So he needed to grab this Maduro motherfucker before he can make some deals with China where they can protect them. You know what I'm saying? So they put a rush on that shit, which that's what I've heard from reputable sources. I can't tell you my sources. I know a lot of people. All right, I can't tell you my sources, but that's kind of what I'm saying, man. Hold up. We going in there, we grabbing the oil, and we grabbing the resources, the rare earth minerals, the silver, the gold, the copper. As you can see, man, really out here, not fucking around at all. And I think you guys it'd be in your best interest to make some of these plays. Now, again, don't come at me with, look, man, it's not motherfucking honorable, or it's insensitive to make money off this shit. Motherfucker, if you're gonna say that shit, don't put no fucking oil, don't put no oil in your car. Don't put no gas in your car. All right, you forfeit the right to do all that shit. If you're gonna stand on that motherfucking high horse. All right, straight up. How long you holding copper for? Again, I bought leap call options out to January of next year. So I'm down to hold it for that long. You get what I'm saying? But I'm also, it's whatever happens, man. Like, I'm down for whatever. All right, I'm down for whatever. We gonna get it in, man. If it goes up like 100%, man, depending on how the chart look, I'll fucking sell this shit tomorrow under the right circumstances. All right. I don't think crypto is gonna have any. I don't think it's gonna have any effect on crypto. I mean, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin did go up today. My fault, man. I need to put it on crypto. All right. So Bitcoin went up today, man, but Bitcoin's chart just looks fucking awful, bro. It just looks awful. Maybe if it breaks, like it stopped at the point, like, but if it breaks like where that is right now, if it goes higher than this, it might have some room to run. It might have some room to run, but I don't know, man. Somebody said AVAX is up 10%. Yeah, AVAX is a crypto that is one crypto project I've been bullish on. Now, make no mistake, I have not changed my stance that this is all bullshit. Like, all crypto is bullshit, like 100% of it. You know what I'm saying? However, I'll trade it. I'll trade fucking anything. I'll trade crypto. I'll trade fucking NFTs. I'll trade fucking Trump coin, any kind of bullshit. I'll trade fucking goats, chickens. You know what I'm saying? Whatever I think I can turn a profit on, I will trade it. Yeah. AVAX is up. I don't know if it's up 10%. I ain't see that shit. You know? Listen, man, I like the stock market a lot better. You know what I'm saying? I like the stock market. And now when we look at the broad market didn't go like QQQ. The NASDAQ it actually had a down day, right? Let's look at this. Now SPY probably did better. SPY wasn't moving like those up like XLE, bro. SPY wasn't moving like XLE, man. I'm telling you, that shit. That shit, man. This is. I'm going heavy. I'm telling you guys, you can get into it now. Buy all dips. It's not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm gonna do, and I'm the man. All right. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. I'm telling you what I'm gonna do, and I'm the man. All right. You guys can follow suit if you want, but I'm on XLE, ITA. Those are the main ones. If you want to get motherfucking crazy. If you want, oh, you know what? There are some crude refineries that may benefit from this. So if we saw XLO, just look, man. Look, I'm not out here bullshitting. All right, let's see where it closed on Friday and see where it closed today. Let's just see where it closed on Friday, where it closed today. Up 9%. At one point during the day, it was up 11%. So this is a crude refinery. You know what I'm saying? Listen. Listen, you know. So listen, if you want to get crazy, man, you can fuck with them. And these are refineries, right? So they got to refine this shit. Now, again, so I'm gonna give you another one, right? Another one, XP. Wait. Yeah. This one is shot up today too. Another one that you might be interested in is PBF, another crude refinery. They about the energy. Yeah, maybe stay away from this one, right? maybe stay away from this one. You get what I'm saying? Now, if we go, what is the oil ETF? Hold up. I'm trying to remember all these goddamn letters. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the crude oil ETF. Which one am I looking at? Oh, yeah, USO. Right. I don't think it's like some people want to invest in oil, but I would stay away from actual oil because the price of oil is probably going to go down with all the new supply. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know if I would invest in actual crude oil. Right. The refineries, though, they're going to make money. The energy companies, they're going to make money because if the prices go down, their margins go up. So I would probably stay away from this one, United States crude oil, right now. You know what I'm saying? Like that's. I'm not feeling that one. All right. Just wanted to give you all that game, man. Listen, if you want to trade with Greg and I, Greg couldn't make it today. If you want to trade with Greg and I, we got you can sign up for victory trades. You get Greg and I's trade alert straight to your phone every day. You would have got all the alerts. You would have knew about the shit way before I talked about it on the internet. And we trade futures every morning. We trade futures together every morning. Let me show you, man. Oh shit, yeah, we was trading futures. Man, let me show you something. I'm gonna open up our chat where we was trading futures. Hold up. Let me bring this shit up. Because we was going crazy this morning. We really did our thing. Let me see if I can bring it up. Cool. All right, so this is the futures chat when we was going super fucking hard, you see, I made about $6 grand trading futures. I traded with 20 Apex accounts. I don't even use my own money. We use a Apex Trader funding, and we trade with their funding. It's a prop firm. If you want to trade, if you want to learn how to do that, join Victory Trades will show you how to do it. And if you want to get an Apex account, when you buy, just use code King Keto. If I go up here, man, the homie K Swerve, he made about 1,300. I hate the way fucking Greg posts his fucking shits. You can't see it. So he was trading with 3 accounts. He made something like 5. Made about $600. All right, I hate when he posted like that. Solo, he's trading with 3 accounts. One of them did 745. Another one did 385. Another one did 310. We are getting, man. Join the Victory Trades, man. We'll show you how to do it. You can start trading with us every morning. I'm calling out my trades. We sharing our screens. The homie Jay Davis, he made about $1,000. The homie Prezi, man, he did his thing, man. $3,700 today. This morning we was going nuts. Ethiopian baller, he's trading with mad accounts. I'm not about to do all that fucking addition. I'm not gonna do that fucking arithmetic for you, but you should, if you want to fucking add it up, see what it is. He did about 280 per account. Some of them a little less, right? But we was out here getting it, man. Oh, and we was talking about the oil boys, man. The homie, the biggest oil tycoons of the century so far, man. Diddy and Maduro, man, they came through. You know what I'm saying? El Pato, he made 350. We was talking about a bunch of shit, man. We was out here getting it in. My man K Swerve made another 400. I made another about 500. Solo, this was before that was earlier. He did his thing, man. We was out here getting it, man. Listen, if you want to fuck with us, join Victory Trades. All right, links in the description. All right.